Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn more about construction. We are going to learn how to cut a line segment from a given line equal in length to a given segment. To construct a line segment whose length is the sum of the length of the given segments. To construct a line segment whose length is the difference of the length of the given segment. Let us learn one by one. First, to cut a line segment from a given line equal in length to a given segment. So let us understand this by taking one example. Worksheet 1, question number 4. Construct the line segment equal in length to the line segment given below. So here AB is given to us and we have to construct another line segment which is equal to AB. So let the required line segment will be PQ. So we have to construct PQ is equal to AB. So let us construct. First, draw a line L. Okay, draw a line L. Take a point P on it. Now open the arms of the compasses and keep the metal end at point A and pencil point at B. Like this. Metal end point at A and pencil point at B. Now without disturbing it, put the metal end at P and cut an arc. To cut line L at Q. So PQ is the line segment which is equal to AB. So PQ is equal to AB. Second, to construct a line segment whose length is the sum of the length of the given segment. So let us understand this by taking one example. Question number 6, worksheet 1. If AB is equal to 3.8 cm and CD is equal to 2.5 cm, construct a line segment whose length is the sum of the lengths of this line segments and measure it. So let us construct this line segment. Take a ruler and construct line segment AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter. So 3 to 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8 centimeter. AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter and CD is equal to 2.5 centimeter. 2.5, this it is CD. Now we have to construct a line segment whose length is equal to AB plus CD. So let us construct PQ which is equal to AB plus CD, because we have to construct a line segment whose length is the sum of the lengths of this line segments. So let the required line segment be PQ. So PQ is equal to AB plus CD. So for this, draw a line L. Draw a line L and take a point P on it. Now open the arms of the compasses and keep this metal at point A and pencil point at point B. Now without disturbing it, keep this metal end at point P and draw an arc which cut the line at point M. Let us give this point name M. Now we have to construct AB plus CD, so we have to move right. So open the arm of the compasses, keep metal point at point C and pencil point at point D. Without disturbing it, keep this point at M, draw an arc. Give this point name Q. So PQ is equal to, PM is equal to AB and MQ is equal to CD. So PQ is equal to AB plus CD. Now let us measure this line segment. See, 6.6, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. So what is the measurement of this line segment? 6.3 centimeter. So understood this? For this, draw a line segment AB is equal to 3.8, CD is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So now we have to construct PQ is equal to AB plus CD. So for this, draw a line L, take a point P on it and draw an arc which is equal to AB. After that, draw MQ which is equal to CD. So PQ is equal to AB plus CD. And after that measure it, then you will get 6.3 centimeter. Understood? Third, to construct a line segment whose length is the difference of the lengths of the given segments. So let us take one example. Question number 7, worksheet 1. If PQ is equal to 5.4 centimeter, RS is equal to 2.7 centimeter, construct a line segment whose length is the difference of the length of this line segment. Here we have to find out PQ minus RS. So for this, construct a line segment PQ is equal to 5.4 centimeter. So 5.4 centimeter we have to construct here. So this PQ is equal to 5.4 centimeter and RS is equal to 2.7. So RS is equal to 2.7 centimeter, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7. Give it name RS. Okay. So now we have to construct PQ minus RS. So let us construct AB is equal to PQ minus RS. So for this, draw a line L. Take a point A on it. Now open your compasses and keep metal end at point P and pencil point at point Q. Without disturbing it, keep metal arm at A and draw an arc and give it name M. Understood what we have done? We open the arms of the compasses, kept it point P and Q. After that, we drawn AM is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Now here we have to subtract RS from PQ. So we have to move left. So for this what we will do, open the compasses and keep metal arm at R and pencil point at S. Okay, this metal end at R and pencil end at S and keep this metal arm at M. Here we have to find difference, so we have to move left. So this side draw one arc. Let's give it name B. So what is the measurement of this AB? AM minus MB. So AM is equal to 5.4 centimeter and BM is equal to 2.7 centimeter. So what is this AB? PQ minus RS. Now let us measure it. 2.7 centimeter. Understood? Let us construct some more line segments. Worksheet 1, question number 5. Construct a line segment AB of length 7.5 centimeter. From the line segment, cut up a line segment AC of the length 3.2 centimeter. Measure the length of the remaining line segment CB. So for this, construct a line segment AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter and AC is equal to 3.2 centimeter. Now we have to cut off AC 3.2 from AB. So for this, first we construct AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter. AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now with the help of compasses, we cut off AC. So keep this metal point at A and pencil point at C. Now keep this metal point at A and cut one arc which cut AB at point C. So now we have to measure this CB. So let us measure. What we'll get 4.3. So AB minus AC. CB is equal to AB minus AC. So what is the measurement of this CB? 4.3 centimeter. Understood? Question number 8. If AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 2.3 centimeter, then construct the following line segments: 2CD, 3AB, AB minus CD, and AB plus 2CD. So 2CD means CD plus CD. 3AB means AB plus AB plus AB. And 2CD means AB plus CD plus CD. So let us construct. First, construct AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter and CD is equal to 2.3 centimeter. Now A, 2 CD. So for this, construct a line L. So here we have to construct 2 CD. So let us construct PQ is equal to 2 CD. We have to construct another line segment which is equal to 2 CD. So let us give it name PQ. So PQ is equal to 2 CD. So take a point P on line L. Now by using compasses, we'll construct PQ is equal to 2 CD. So for this, open the compasses, keep the metal point at C and pencil point at D. Like this. Without disturbing it, keep it at P. Draw an arc, give it name M. Okay. Here we have to construct 2 CD, means CD plus CD. So now again keep this metal arm at M and draw another arc which cut line L at point Q. So what is the measurement of this PQ? 2 CD. Measure this. So what you will get? 4.6 centimeter. Okay. Next, 3AB. So let us construct RS is equal to 3AB. So here we have to construct AB plus AB plus AB. For this, draw a line take a point R on it. Now take compasses, keep metal arm at metal point at A and pencil point at B. Without disturbing it, keep this metal point at R and draw one arc. Let us give it name M. Okay, again keep this at M, draw another arc, give it name N. You can give any other name also. So now take it N and draw one more arc, means AB plus AB plus AB. Let us give it name S. Okay, here you can give any other name like E, F, whatever you want. So what is the measurement of this RS? AB plus AB plus AB. So let us measure it. Let us measure it. What will get? 13.5 centimeter. So similarly, we can construct AB minus CD and AB plus 2CD. So construct AB minus CD. Let us construct AB minus CD. So take a line segment LM which is equal to AB minus CD. So for this, draw a line and give it name L. Take a point L on it. Now we have to find the difference of AB and CD. So first, take compasses, give this metal point at A and pencil point at B. Now without disturbing it, keep this metal arm at L and draw an arc. Let us give it name O. You can give it other name also like E, F, okay, P, Q, it is all used. So I am giving it name O. Now I have to subtract this CD from AB, means I have to find difference between AB and CD. So I have to move left. Okay, so take compasses, give this metal arm at point C and pencil point at point D. Without disturbing it, keep metal point at O and at left draw an arc. Give it name M. So what is the measurement of this LM? Let us measure. .2 centimeter. Understood? D. We have to construct AB plus 2CD. So let us construct MN is equal to AB plus 2CD, because we have to construct another line segment. So we have to give another name. So we'll give here name MN. You can give EF also, but other than this AB and CD, you give name. Okay, so we have to construct MN. For this, draw a line L. Take a point M on it. Now AB plus 2CD means AB plus CD we have to construct. So take compasses, keep metal point at A and this pencil point at B. Okay, and keep it at M, this metal point at M, and draw an arc. Now give it name. What you want to give? Let us give it name P. This arc name P. After that we have to find 2CD. So 2CD means I have to take line segment equal to CD. So keep metal point at C and this pencil point at D. So it is equal to CD. Now I'll take this, I'll keep this metal arm at P and draw an arc. Give it name Q. Again keep this metal point at Q and draw another arc which cut line L and give it name M. So MN is equal to AB plus 2CD. Let us measure this line segment. .1 centimeter. So understood this? Practice it.